folks, we're back with a 2015 Ford Fusion SE EcoBoost. This is a premium package. Check it out. White diamond tri-coat, tan leather, factory sunroof, navigation, backup cam, heated seats, lacy spoke wheels, dual exhaust, loaded. Power driver seat sync technology, so you're going to get hands-free Bluetooth calling, streaming audio, auxiliary line in, satellite radio. Wow. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this lady, and the starting down payment is $995 starting down payment. Loaded up, guaranteed credit approval, buy here, pay here options. We got it all here, folks. Check it out. Look at this product. This car is twice a lady. And it's here at DasCleveland.com. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Come on down. Check it out for yourself. Take her for a stroll. DasCleveland.com.